Hi guys, today I'm going to install this reverse camera on my BMW 520. So this camera I bought it for £44 from eBay. I'll drop the link as well in description. And you don't need to do any hole, anything like that. So just replace with the old handle, boot handle, and that's it. As you've seen in my last vlog, I put Android screen in my Beamer, and I'll attach this camera with that big screen, and yeah, let's start it. So these, we have to open all of it, and I'm going to remove this. So this is basically the camera. So I'm going to take this off and put the new. You don't need to hold, don't need to do anything with this one. So all you need to swap this one and all the way through. I'll take the wire from this side or this side, because this is glove box side. You can take your wire easily from this side. Take it down there, and I will remove these to open that, to pass through the wires. So let's go. So we want to remove these. This type of clip. Open with a screwdriver. So it's not easy to work with one hand and the other hand with the camera, but I try my best. It's almost everything removed. See this. I have to pull with two hands now. This came off. Now we will see how this come out. Clips inside, so you have to push the clips to remove the handle. So I remove this from here. It's a bit hard because there's no space inside. Put some tool in, so you need a very strong hand for that. Okay, so it's basically come out from here. Okay. Yes. Best to remove this one then. So you have to change the plug here. I have to remove this one. So I just took the plug out to make it easy. And I'll see like if you're going to change it to the other side. This switch. So this is the original one. I need to change this plug onto this one. As you can see, it's almost similar. First of all, we will remove this and we'll put on this one. So there are a few clips. Okay, so this is the piece. So basically what it is now, that's looking same like this. So it's coming in this way. Okay. That's it, it's done. So I'll just remove this seat and I will see if I need to backrest. We'll see if I can take the backrest out. That will be easy. If not, then I'll try to take out from this side. This is a camera fitted from inside, and I got two wires here with the camera. So it's looking fine. So now I'm going to through the wire from here to there, then we'll go across. So we'll see. We'll try to take out from here. You can see these wires, and it will go under there to this side. It will go behind the dashboard, so it will go to the screen. So I just removed two screws and I managed to lose this one. So you can see, I'll try to throw the wire from here. This time I decided to open the whole backrest. So there are two screws, this side and this side. So I'll remove the whole back seat, which will make my work easy. and open this one. And just put the wire in there so you can see. This wire come this way. It's a bicycle wire. I'm gonna pass the wire now. So this is for the video. Okay. And this wire is for the power. Take this wire from here. I think it's best to go from this way. Yeah, from the top. So I need to pass through. So just put the tape on. So there you go. Just pull this wire. So this wire is basically coming straight from there. I'll show you from the side as well. So I'll connect this wire here. So just focus on this one here. Is fine. So we will go with the other red wire. Okay, so it's safe to connect, and I'm gonna do some. I need to find screw here to attach with. The screw one. Okay. So that's it. That's it. Now I'm going to tidy up and just stick it inside. I just need to see that. Just try to tidy up in here if I can. So it's more safer in this one. Okay. Just up again. It's closed now. Okay. I think we need to close the boot first to check it if it's not stretching the wire. Until you open the door, I'll check it be stretching. That's fine. So it's not stretching. So that's fine. It's okay. So you need to fix properly. So there's one clip coming. Clips. There's another one going under there. Can you see in the video? So simple. That's it. Same one here. This is done. Nothing left. I'll get some ties. Tie up here, then I'll sort this out. Okay. And there is another one in here. That one. Can you see from there? Mm-hmm. That's it, so this one done, this one done, this one done. It's okay. And okay, so it's in. Finish. Now I need to put something. Now time to tighten the backrest bolt. Hard place inside the boot. Okay. So we sit properly. Nearly. I'm just going to tidy up now. And I also taped here. Don't need to open that. Sometimes it's loose. So this is the wire that goes into there. Just come all the way from behind the glove box. Now I'm going back to stick together everything. So guys, there is one wire for the P cam, saying parking cam, and this is cam in. So this is for the reverse camera. So I'm going to connect the yellow wire with this one. This is going with the parking cam. So guys, I'm doing this wiring with the aftermarket screen, but you can also do with the original screen as well. So there are two ways to connect the wiring, which you can see on the end of the video. So if you don't understand the wiring connection here, it's I suggest best to see that, so it's maybe easy for you to understand the wiring. So it's tight. So what we're going to do now, so we will connect with the video, and this power cable, this goes into here. So guys, everything is done. We install everything. So first we will try in the night, so you can see the result. You can see this original sensors are working as well. So the front one, the rear one, same time when you put the gear in the reverse. And this is daytime. It's very clear. And this is the camera bit. That's the power cable. This is the lane which is going to the CD or your players or the Android player. Okay, so I will show you how to do the connection and what is this simple thing how we do this, and I think this method works for all the models. So this is basically power video. So when we do video, we extend this with this one, that's extension. So this is basically power. So this is a power cable. That is power cable here. So this red, that's a live. So these lives go together, and this black one, that's the earth. So this is earth. You have to stick with the body of the car. Then what you got on the end with this extension, so this bay goes to your CD players or screen, and this one is power, which most of the players, they have a separate power in there, so you have to put this in the power. So basically this will get connected here. That's like you're on the video, and this is for the power. So when you connect this with the power, this is with the video, and this is already power connected here. It goes through here, and this will connect to the CD player, and it gives the power to the camera. Now we talk about the second method. If you don't have a power cable in your screen or the CD systems or whatever kind of multimedia player in your car, so we will connect videos, then we will connect the power. So this red wire is go to your rear light, the car rear tail light, and this black wire will go to the body for the earth. Then you don't need to use the end of the extension, you don't need to use this one. If you have just this plug, video plug in your multimedia player, you don't need to connect with any wire, so you can cut this off and you just use this one. Your camera is getting power from your rear tail light or the rear car lights. When you put in the reverse, so it will go automatically into the camera videos.